Hi Professor. I'm Jinakunta Leela Haripriya with student ID 115888098. Here I'm going to tell about my reading assignment 4. Which is the agent-based recommendation in e-learning environment using knowledge discovery and machine learning approaches. Here the main agenda of this paper is, how can you get recommendations in this particular e-platform, and how can you use this knowledge discovery and at the same time machine learning approaches in order to get the recommendations so to an agent. Coming to the purpose, the paper is all about working on different recommendation systems and its drawbacks, which led to find a sophisticated system which are very necessary. Therefore, the author conveyed a recommendation system on basis of agent related to domain of e-learning. The final goal of this paper was to create a platform for every user to get recommendations easily. The paper mainly depends on natural language processing and analysis for semantics. Author uses machine learning analysis to better the results. Information collection, data mining strategies were investigated to know the learning style of learner. Simply said, a user-based architecture model is designed to give users with convenience without interruptions in e-learning. In addition, the voice assistant for the agent-based recommendation system is also being developed. Coming to the related literature, the author went deep into e-learning, machine learning systems related to recommendations, optimizations, recommendation techniques, comparative analysis, predictive analysis, semantics analysis, NLP, clustering, and knowledge discovery. Coming to the research design and strategy, these are three processes which are information collection, pre-processing, and suggestion. The information is gathered from user profiles. The data pre-processing stage is concerned with text mining, term extraction, and their respective mapping in relation to opinions. The recommendation has a step-by-step method such as user filtering, user rating, and list creation. The information gathered with respect to interests, qualifications, and skills. The extraction stage is carried out using text mining and semantic analysis. A study was conducted here to get suggestions on courses and teachers based on user input. The framework includes learning, recommendation, and interactive models. Data from social media was also collected and the processing is finished. Coming to the results, discussion, and conclusions. The comparative analysis is performed on various approaches to check the accuracy. The self-organization had an accuracy of 76.3%, hybrid filtering with 84%, and intelligent decision support with 81%. Agent-based had the highest accuracy. The course's similarity was verified and the findings are mapped accordingly. An accuracy curve is shown by the author and SI is used to estimate satisfaction rates. MAE is used to compare clusters and the degree of diversity is also assessed. The discussion focuses on agent-based analysis recommendations and compares them to other methodologies using machine learning. It emphasizes the significance of user preferences and interests as well as the strategies employed. Coming to the contributions, they include enhanced trainer mentorship, text mining, and the development of NLP approaches, improving e-learning performance and resolving user ranking issues, suggestion quality enhancement, better learners and users understanding. Coming to the overall assessment under section 2, the paper's readability is good and it is nicely aligned with the straightforward structured flow. With concrete examples and elaboration, the research topic was thoroughly guided through. This paper improved the recommendation systems, paving the way for approval for publications. The proposed approach provided a prediction accuracy of 98%, which is the goal of the paper. It explored the comparison with respect to various methodologies, allowing us to grasp them with adequate data interpretation and quality. The paper went through well with a clear view of problem exposed and went well into it. Each section focused on extracting something useful from it, so the effort was made to establish accountability for validity and reliability. Cross-validation was also carried out while also establishing early stopping points and dependable feature selection. Coming to the future research, the paper research was worth reading And as discussed, the paper can be further improvised to enhance the system by focusing more on improving the e-learning systems. So one instance which author mentioned is the recommendation pertaining to gaming and leisure time, and hence giving the respective classification based on interests and hobbies of individual. So new knowledge learned. So the semantic analysis was discussed. So I'm inclined to investigate it further, and I would also like to learn more about how to improve e-learning systems based on user-centered architecture, and how about learn about predictive analytics and how it may be used in situations like this. So coming to the questions, so like what are the recommended difficulties for e-learning systems? Like if we have e-learning systems recommendations, so what are the difficulties that we face while getting in the mean process of recommendations? So can you mention like different approaches to e-learning environments other than the machine learning approaches? So thank you, Professor.